In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a retainer invoice in Zoho Books, a comprehensive guide for 2025. If you're a business owner looking to streamline your invoicing process, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps that will help you efficiently create retainer invoices in Zoho Books. First things first, you'll want to open a browser window and head over to Zoho Books. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the dashboard where you'll see a plethora of options. Focus on the left-hand side menu, which is home to all the navigation you'll need. Here, you'll find the Sales section. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you'll manage all your sales transactions. On the screen, you'll see various types of invoices and transaction options. For our purpose, look for the Retainer Invoices section and click on it. This is especially important if you're looking to invoice clients ahead of providing your service. That's the essence of a retainer invoice. Once you're in the Retainer Invoices section, you'll notice a button that says New. Press this button to begin creating a new retainer invoice. It's akin to pulling out a fresh sheet of paper ready to detail your transaction. Now it's time to personalize your invoice. Start by selecting the customer name from the provided drop-down list. This ensures that the invoice is correctly linked to your client in the Zoho Books system. If your customer isn't listed, you'll need to add them before proceeding. After you've selected the customer, the next step is to choose an invoice number. This could be automatically generated by Zoho, or you may have a custom numbering system in place. Either way, it serves as a vital reference for you and your client. Following this, you'll select the invoice date. The date is crucial. It's the official record of when the transaction was initiated. Make sure it reflects the agreement between you and your client accurately. Next, you'll add a description of the retainer. This is your opportunity to clearly communicate what the retainer covers. Providing a detailed description can help avoid any misunderstandings later on. With the details in place, you'll now add the monetary amount. Type in the sum of money you're billing as a retainer. Precision is key here to ensure both parties, yourself and your client, are in agreement about the financials. Finally, once all your details look correct, you'll want to save the invoice. Click on the Save as Draft button to review your invoice before sending it off. This allows you to double check the accuracy and make any necessary changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. This streamlined process ensures you can easily manage prepayments and payments for future work with your clients, adding efficiency and clarity to your financial operations. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this guide useful in your business endeavors.